to all my dear lovable students. This is the first guidance video those who have purchased for 90 days classes. Whether you have purchased for group number 1 or group number 2 or both the groups, we are having 90 days time to complete the classes. How that classes has to be completed is what this video is all about. If you are going to write group number 1, whatever may be the attempt, if the class validity is 90 days, I already explained that take first 14 days as your slot number 1. In slot number 1, just study only advanced accounting and IDT. My dear lovable students, as we all know that 4 papers are there in group number 1. Accounts, Law, DT and IDT. For the purpose of video lectures, we are classifying tax into 2 papers. So in that advanced accounting will come for 100 mark and IDT is a 50 mark. Parallelly, we are going to prepare 150 mark in the first 2 weeks. For that, today you can start it as day number 1. By the end of 14 days in accounts, you are supposed to complete schedule 3. This is an expected 14 mark area for your exam. Leave it for 14 mark. Once you are studying this course called as Chartered Accountancy, after you become a Chartered Accountant, if you don't know how to prepare financial statement, there is no use in studying this course. So in that respect, study this chapter, Schedule 3, a very important chapter for exam and also for life. And number 2, cash flow statement. This will come for 7 mark in exam. Even this is also a part and parcel of the financial statement. So in our part number A itself, my dear lovable students, nearly, 20 mark will be from the chapters. And 5 accounting standard, AS1, AS4, AS5, AS24 and AS25. These 5 accounting standards are financial statement accounting standards. It's better to prepare this in one group, so complete this in part number A. This is what we are going to achieve in this 14 days. And in IDT, we'll start the basics, man. In part A is nothing but basic. Section 7, supply. Section 8, tax rate for composite and mixed supply. Section 9, levy and collection of CGST. And Section 10, composition levy. First, understand one thing. The major problem students facing, that is online classes, is after purchasing the classes, they won't have a proper schedule. Since there is no proper schedule or target, the classes will be pending at the time of examination. That should not happen to us. So first of all, understand that the basic part, that is schedule 3, cash flow statement and 5 accounting standards comprises of 38 hours in accounts. 38 hours. This includes both regular and also the workouts. Extra questions are also there. Then and there, in every part, we have included the extra questions like RTP, MTP, etc. So that is a reason why this is nearly 38 hours of lectures. And if you see IDT, it comes to 28 hours of lectures. So 38 plus 28 comes to 66 hours of lectures you are supposed to be completed. Every day, if you are completing 5 hours of lectures divided by 5 means 66 divided by 5 means nearly 13.2 days. 14 days are required. My dear lovable students, that's why exactly 14 days has been allotted to you. If you are seeing daily 5 hours in 1.2, 1.3 speed, if you are seeing also, nearly only 4 hours of lecture time only will come. And 3 hours of self-revision will really make you pass in the first attempt you are writing. This is the best plan what we can give to you. It's like playing cricket. One day if you miss or 2 days if you miss, automatically the run rate per day will increase and you will ultimately end up with tension and pressure. So keep it, sir, consistent throughout the 14 days. Come on, man. Sir, I'm going to write G2, sir. What about us? Then instead of 14 days plan, slot number 1 is first 10 days plan, which we have chosen costing and SM, which is costing is for 100 mark and SM is for 50 mark. In costing, the basics, cost sheet, that is the first chapter you are supposed to be studied. Then cost accounting system and process costing. these 3 chapters. If you see from cost sheet, you will get 7 mark to 8 mark in exam. Cost accounting system, a 5 mark question will be coming, and process costing, a 10 mark question will be coming. An introduction to SM is a very basic first chapter, kutti chapter as compared to all the 5 chapters. My dear lovable students, if you see your time limit, nearly 30 hours of costing plus, sir, nearly 3 hours to 4 hours of SM, nearly 34-35 hours has to be completed within this 10 days. So, 35 divided by 4 hours, if you are able to see, then itself 4 to 5, nearly 8 to 9 days, you can complete the topic. Happily start it. Since SM is very small, there you are having some leverage. Sir, as compared to G1, you are having little less to see if you are doing only G2. But even after this 10 days, don't say an excuse that I'm having pending to see lectures. Then when we go to slot number 2, we can't write assignments. This time we are going to give assignment for both group number 1 and group number 2 students, my dear lovable students. Sir, I'm not single group, I'm both the groups. Then what will be the timetable? You have to really commit it for the next 14 days, my dear lovable students. By the end of 14 days, in advanced accounting, the same schedule of, sir, schedule 3, cash flow statement, 145, 24, 25 should be completed. In IDT, basic should be completed like supply, tax rate for composite mixed supply, levy and collection of CGST and composition levy. We are starting audit, another 100 mark paper. Like nature, objective and scope, ethics, audit planning, government audit, NGO, local body, and in FM, leverage analysis and ratio analysis. My dear lovable students, in accounts, you are 38 hours of lectures to watch. And in IDT, you are 28 hours of lectures to watch. Sir, audit, you are having nearly 16 hours of lectures to watch. And in FM, 22 hours of lectures to watch. That means in this 14 days, 38 plus 28 plus 16 plus 22, nearly 100 hours of lectures to be watched, my dear lovable students. So, divided by 14 means nearly 7.5 hours of lectures to be watched if you are both the group students. And in slot number 1, don't worry anything about revision. Just complete the lectures for 14 days, because if you are watching 7.5 hours in a day, nearly 6 hours of lectures will only come. Since you have taken both the groups, you should be double committed than others. So this is what the completion requirement for the 10 days or 14 days in slot number 1 as the case may be. So every day, whatever you are completing, you can update to us in the WhatsApp group we are having. So join the WhatsApp group, my dear lovable students. So if we study as a group, everyone will be having a motivation to complete. In the sense means the other will think that, okay, fine, that guy has completed this much hours of classes. So it will keep you in that entire study mode or environment. That is point number 1. This is the slot number 1 you are going to do. So don't worry about revision plans and all. Just complete the lectures in slot number 1. When I explain slot number 2, I will come up with revision of slot number 1 and will be cumulatively studying 1 and 2. Still, anyone want to start or join the classes? Even today, you can start and join either for group number 1 or 2. I have not allotted timetable like morning 7 to 9 or 9 to 10 like that, because I have given on a holistic basis, my dear lovable students, because one person's pattern of study will be changing. Some people used to study in morning time, some people used to study in evening time. So I said that this is what our requirement is: daily 5 hours of lectures plus 3 hours of revision. We need 8 hours from you if you are going to write one group, and daily 7 hours of lectures plus 3 hours of revision. 10 hours we need from you if you are going to write both the groups. Sir, let this be a superb start for you. Sir, every day complete your lectures, every day update in the group, every day, sir, be consistent in this, sir, 14 days of the time frame. Even I will be uploading the videos relating to these topic, which are the areas to be focused and all, which will be help you to be inconsistent. I'm wishing you all the very best to start your study from day number 1. We'll meet at the appropriate time with another useful video. Thank you. Bye bye from ANM.